YouTube, what's going on? It's Joe Chan. I'm back with my first video of 2021. It's been a while since my last post. A lot of things have changed. 2020'd, right? So we're back in a new year. Not new me, but new approach, new work, new options, new content. So this episode or this video is going to be something different than what you guys have seen from me in the past. This video is going to be focusing on education. It's going to be more of a how-to, a DIY video, and I'm not doing it alone. For the first time, I'm actually going to have a special guest host on the video. So let me not even go through it. Let me just bring him in so you can see who he is. It is the Chicken Boy. So what's up?
Hi guys.
All right. So for those of you that don't know, Chicken Boy is my little brother. We're 20 plus years apart in age, and he's part of the reason why I still make YouTube videos, because he always says, "Oh man, you should make more YouTube videos." But wait, don't make them unless I'm at your house so I can be in them. So this is the opportunity I've had at the top of the year to make a video that speaks about education. Oh, didn't mean to hit the mic. That speaks about education and allows me to spend time and bonding time with my little brother. And it also helps me provide or create resources necessary for, a well-functioning studio here at Core 5. So, with no further ado, the Chicken Boy and I are going to build a DIY scrim for under $250. Take it away. Here we are at the studio with all of the necessary equipment to make this DIY scrim. We got everything from B&H and Home Depot. So here in this B&H bag, we have a bunch of tools that are necessary. A couple of clamps, so some super clamps, some umbrella and stand adjusters, and most importantly, our silk diffusion fabric. We also have 4 10-foot PVC pipes that we've already taken the liberty of cutting with the help of our neighbor, Ronald Draper. We use a circular saw to cut these 10-foot pipes into 2 sections. One section that is 6 foot, the other section that is 4 foot. So, without any further ado, let me show you how easy it is to make a scrim at home. What you do is you take your PVC pipe and you grab one of the elbows. You joint them together, which is relatively simple. Get a nice snug fit. Then you go ahead and grab another PVC pipe. You put the other PVC pipe into the adjoining joint. And then on the other end, you add a new elbow. You do this until all 4 sides of the PVC pipe are connected and you have a 6x6 square. And now, a magic trick. I will let the Chicken Boy fly through this PVC square. Go! Ta-da! No, but seriously. Next thing is going to be to take our diffusion fabric and wrap it around the PVC pipe. It's nowhere near as difficult as it seems. You take the elastic fabric and you wrap it around each of the corners, and it's pretty secure as is, but the packaging also comes with some rope for you to tie the adjoining parts to the pipe to make it a lot sturdier and a lot more of a snug fit. Now, to take our scrim and make it adjustable onto our C-stands. So we're going to take our umbrella clamp, or our adjustable umbrella clamp, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to attach it to our C-stands. Then we'll go ahead and we'll open up our super clamps. We have a adapter, but it has like an octagonal side top. And you take that part that's shaped like an octagon while holding down the silver button and you push it in until it's firm. It shouldn't move. And then just to add additional support, you twist this knob here and now it's locked in. You go ahead, you take that piece and you drop it into the umbrella clamp. You tighten it as tight as you can And now we have a functioning scrim holder. So now all we have to do is take this PVC pipe scrim and open up our super clamps and clamp it in. Let's go, chicken boy, let's get it. And just like that, put them together, make sure that the yellow side is facing outward. And lock in the scrim. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Easy to make DIY scrim. Yo, who would have thought it was that simple to make a scrim at home or in studio by yourself, right? Part of the reason why I did this is because a lot of the bigger companies are selling scrims, just the frames alone, for over $400. And I get it. Scrims are super vital like components in the photo and video world. They help you diffuse light. They help you soften light if you're outside. They also help you control light in the studio and make a gigantic and beautiful light source. But $400 for just the frame, and then at least $110 to $150 for the fabric. That's a lot of money for something that can be made for under $250 if you just use your noggin, YouTube, and your resources. So shout out to my boy Van, and shout out to my boy Alan Cooley for giving us the idea, or giving me the idea, us the idea to put together this scrim. And believe it or not, we're actually using the scrim now to light this video. I think it's super simple. I think it's a very fun thing to do. You can do it with your kids, you can do it with your friends, you can do it by yourself. It was so easy an 11-year-old could do it. Chicken boy, what'd you think?
It's so easy, you guys should try it at home.
You heard it here. Chicken boy thinks that you guys should try to make these at home. It's under $250. It's an amazing light source, and one of my major concerns was that I would have a hard time storing it, and I really wanted it to be easy to break apart and put back together. It definitely is super simple to break apart and put back together if you need to, but this 6x6 is the perfect size for the Core 5 Creative, and maybe in the next video I'll show you how we use it. Yeah, so until next time, I'm Joe Chia.
And I'm Chicken Boy.
Thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you give a thumbs up on this video, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think these arts and crafts sections should be called. These arts and crafts videos, and maybe we'll bring you a whole lot more in the new year. Thanks for tuning in. Happy New Year. Be safe. Be sure to create wholeheartedly.